actually a pond of water here, which at one time they were going to have a bridge go over and then make its approach up to the house, but it just didn't make sense. All right, out here at Beehive Basin Road. So we're actually kind of looking right over into what is referred to as Beehive Basin. And over to the Spanish Peaks. Try to give you a little bit of the perspective of the home in steel and just some of this exterior material. Obviously an unfinished entry. But this would be your main entrance coming in here. To our right is the access to the garage, as well as the apartment, or I may refer to it as an ADU as we're talking. For the majority insulation, you know, appears to be bat and spray foamed, all spray foam insulation. Going through, that's the walkway over to the master suite. So I believe that this is the kitchen area. It makes the most amount of sense. I see some electrical and stuff ran. In terms of material, I guess to better answer your question, there's a handful of parts and stuff here, but in terms of finishing, there's not much. So as I said, Dan, the architect, seemed to have a number of thoughts on the fireplace and how that could be changed. So definitely open to that. So we're looking at Lone Mountain. So Big Sky Resort. Can't really see the peak as it's in the clouds, but it continues to go up there. Looking over to Pioneer Mountain, which is Yellowstone Club. Andesite Mountain, still part of Big Sky Resort. Looking east southeast would be Yellowstone in the distance there. Very, very impressive views from here. So you continue up there into the observation. Let's get back quick. So truly up from here, you would have 360-degree views. So I'm on the upper kind of balcony here, overlooking the living area. Now heading into the master suite. This would be the extension into the apartment. That's kind of, we'll call it below deck theater room, bathroom. Into the master suite here. Mainly your sleeping area. We're looking into the closet area and then around to the bathroom. Again, spectacular views where nobody else can be has a line of sight into this space. You have your upper deck here, so walking in to the, again, master closet, tub, shower, John in the corner. Looks like you'd have some sinks over here, outlets. So I just left the master. Again, we'll call this kind of below deck. It's a really cool room, but you got a bar, entertainment area down here. Just another flex space for the kids. But again, have it theater screen, bar. There's some other bathrooms and kind of utility back there. It's fairly dark where we couldn't see. Again, going back across the jetway. So in through here, there's all in-floor radiant heat that appears to be run. Some of these other areas are just baseboard radiant. Get back main level. Again, with not much light down here, it's gonna be hard to see, and I couldn't find the power, but we'll have Dan talk a little bit more about that area. Could be another kind of flex space, another living room, maybe your TV and stuff to be down there. And we're walking over to the apartment. So bedroom here. Again, probably 90% complete throughout here. Shower. Kind of an insert tub that they have under there. So this would be the living area of the apartment, the gas insert TV. Again, even in this space, you have lots of good views, but a little bit of the tile work. And so the kind of bunks here are, mocked up to be like little cabins, sleeper cabins. easier if you're on your favorite cruise ship. There we go. A series of different storage areas kind of throughout. Another little sleeper bunk, and then a bunk up top here. And I think this is just a little dumbwaiter, I believe, that comes off of the garage, getting groceries and stuff up, I believe. Okay, so we're downstairs in the garage. So essentially almost kind of underground from here. And I don't really have any lighting. This is a large tunnel. You can kind of see the corrugated tube. So you would drive in here, enter into your garage. You can see the diamond plate turntable below. So you'd come in, park your vehicle, activate the turntable, turn your vehicle around 180 degrees, drive back out of the tunnel. Some utility down here just for the radiant heat. Boilers, different stuff like that. See all the different zones.